Greetings and salutations, foolish mortals. This is Tiny Tyler with thescarefactor.com. Psych, it's me! This is Mario with Team White City Devils with the Scare Factor. Enjoy our little walkthrough that we had at Nightmare on Chicago Street in Elgin. Great, fantastic annual event. Multiple stages, food, costumes galore.
And alcohol.
Meanwhile, enjoy our time, which we're really grateful to be a part of, at Nightmare on Chicago Street. Gallery, the horror. Dope. Cacao.
The annual Nightmare on Chicago Street Costume Contest. The categories are fantasy sci-fi costume, horror zombie costume, and of course couples and group. So let's start things off with our first category, our best couple and groups. I've got 3 entries here. Willy Wonka and Friends. All right, so Willy Wonka and Friends. Then we also, our next contestant, come on in, Five Nights at Freddy's. Finally, we've got our last contestant. Oh my goodness. Jessica and Roger Rabbit. I think the winner is Willy Wonka and Friends. Our next category is the horror zombie category. So let's start off with the ex-serial killer. Oh, I see what you did there. Oh my God. You put a knife through Tony the Tiger's eye. The drippy zombie. Holy crap. And then finally we have a military experiment gone wrong. Okay, holy moly. But I think the judges have spoken. Military experiment gone wrong. All right, now we have our fantasy and sci-fi category.
Pando Pop, fantasy and sci-fi.
Serial designation N. Gold and gore. I think it's obvious, folks. Golden Door!
Okay, here we go. Thank you.
Thank you. Oh boy.
I love your skin.
Oh boy. All the skin.
Jay, I need arms. Looks so good.
Good.